Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing one of the most talked about AI tools out there, Synthesia. Now this isn't going to be a tutorial. I'm not going to be walking you step by step how to use it. This is purely my honest opinion after using it, what I love, what I don't, and whether it's worth your money. And hey, if you want to check out Synthesia for yourself, the link is right there in the description. Click it now and follow along. It also helps support the channel, so I really appreciate it. So Synthesia has been around for longer than most of these AI avatar platforms you see popping up these days. They launched back in 2017 and honestly they kind of started the whole AI presenter video moment. If you have ever seen those super clean videos online with a lifelike person talking to the camera, there's a good chance it was made using Synthesia. Over the years, they have built a reputation for quality, security, and reliability. That said, they are definitely more business focused. So if you are expecting a cheap, quick fix solution for short form content or casual YouTube stuff, you might find it a little overkill. But for corporate videos, training content, or professional presentation, this is one of the most solid platforms out there. Alright, let's talk about what I actually like about Synthesia. You can choose from over 120 plus avatar people of different ages, ethnicity, and styles. They look surprisingly realistic. And you can even customize them slightly, change the outfit, add a company logo, or pick different angles. You can actually choose your own face or get high-end studio avatar made with professional cameras and green screen. That's great feature for businesses that want consistency but still want their real spokesperson. And also the built-in AI voices are pretty solid, not the most natural compared to some dedicated AI voice tools but still really clean, and they are creating multilingual content. It's a lifesaver and you can translate your entire video into another language with one click and the lip sync automatically adjusts. Synthesia isn't just about talking head. You can start with templates for onboarding, product training, corporate messages, basically anything that needs a professional look. You can also import PowerPoints or scripts directly and the tool will automatically generate a video presentation like that. Perfect for teams who want to save time on integral communications. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the pricing. So the starter pack is around $18 per month if you do it annually, and the creator plan is also around $64 if you do it annually. But if you do on a monthly basis, it is going to be $29 for the starter one and the creator is going to be $89. Here you get up to 10 minutes of video generation and here you'll get up to 30 minutes of video generation per month. There's also an enterprise option for bigger teams with custom pricing. And yes, they do have a free demo video option where you can try creating one basic AI video, no login required. It's limited, but it's a nice way to test the waters. Now, I'll be honest, Synthesia isn't cheap compared to other newer tools like Hagen, but the reason a lot of big brands still stick with Synthesia is the quality and security. They take data privacy seriously, which is a huge deal for enterprise clients. I have personally used Synthesia for things like training modules, product explainer videos, and even a few YouTube intros, and it's been incredibly stable. The good thing, the video look professional, the lip sync is solid, and the platform never really glitches. If you're trying to make cinematic YouTube videos, short form reels, or ads with emotions and moments, Synthesia might feel a bit too corporate. That's kind of the personality of this platform. It's built for clarity, not creativity. Another thing, rendering takes a few minutes, but it's pretty consistent. And honestly, when the video comes out looking like it's shot in a studio in a 3-minute wait, doesn't feel bad at all. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. So it's extremely easy to use even for beginners. It has got high quality avatars and realistic lip sync. And also the enterprise grade security and reliability is there. It's great for multilingual or integral business videos. It's constantly improving and adding new avatars. And the cons are it's on the pricier side compared to many other competitors that you have seen. And some customization options like camera motions are still basic, and the AI voices could be slightly more expensive. So that's something you have to keep in mind. And there is limited creative flexibility. It's more corporate than a creator. So here's my honest take. Synthesia is the most polished and reliable AI avatar platform out there. Heads down, it's not the cheapest, it's not the flashiest, but if your priority is quality, professionalism, and security, this is one to go for. If you're just testing the waters or want something more playful, you could check out alternatives like Hagen. I'll leave the link in the description also. But for serious business grade work, Synthesia still leads the pack. If you want to try it for yourself, make sure to use the link in the description. It helps support the channel. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think of AI video tools. Are they the future of content or just a passing trend? I'll see you in the next one.